Kwashieman market. Glad to see you, boy. Yeah, whoa. Glad I'm out for your ma. I'm out for me. Oh. I'm out for your ma. Oh, Jesus. Let's get ready.
So this is the state of Abosi Okai. The state of Abosi Okai as at now. Ghana. And you can see they are climbing the ladder. I don't know whether to heaven or to I don't know. It's very serious and pathetic. Very, very serious and pathetic. Very serious. There's no movement anymore. No car is moving. It's very serious. It's very serious. Abai, sorry, more than Ghana. It's very serious. Very, very serious. More than Ghana. Hey, Ganeshi, Abosi Okai. The center of Accra. Oh. No. Try some through my head. No, Obi can the flood is serious. Odorkor towards Kaneshi to Graphic Road. Avoid that route. Even Kolebu side, Sunni Kolebu side in here. Enyakra, Charlie. Avoid this area, avoid it. Sembe pani. Acha wachana hili sana nsuo. Yeah. Ipo na jeje nsuo msa no. Amacho mfani ni. Ara. Ne. Oi. Aka. No. That's the power of water.
Naga me say me try sending no me try or flat. Just send no. Just send no who dey here. Can you wa? Don't who send so me you dey car
Moment of Wisdom Ghana, your television show. Ewo abe for intin time fidi so. Ye butaya ni se ye becheche amanfo nioma efa omanchichire amanyosem na afei nyamesom ho. Na se wonti nioma yabobo so nyina se dia. Ene jimre na ma wo fidie ni na Moment of Wisdom Ghana television. Ewo all social media platforms. Afei sa jimre na hwehwe ewo your website www.momentofwisdomgh.com. Ensema esisi wo amanhodo nyina so. Die amanfo atro. Die efa amanyosem ho. Ghana man ho. Ebibi man ho. Eni wiase afa na nyina. We ni bebre ene wo website ho a nipa mpempem gibre ebon kontin koho ekohwe. Abreni abribia. Moment of Wisdom Ghana television. Nyansa breni.
Moment of Wisdom.